Hello friends! Today, let's embark on a journey to one of the most vibrant and diverse cities in the world, Toronto. As North America's fourth largest city, Toronto is always buzzing with energy, excitement, and a sense of possibility that you can feel in the air. The moment you arrive, whether by train, plane, or car, you're greeted by the vibrant pulse of Canada's largest city, a place where every street corner tells a story. Toronto stands tall as a major international hub for business, finance, arts, and culture, drawing people from all over the globe to its dynamic core. It's a city whose influence stretches far beyond Canada's borders, shaping trends and ideas that ripple across the world. Many of the world's leading companies have chosen Toronto as their headquarters, fueling a spirit of innovation, entrepreneurship, and growth that's hard to match. But Toronto is so much more than just impressive buildings and bustling business districts. It's a city with a warm heart and a truly welcoming spirit, where people from every background come together to create a unique sense of community. Known for being safe, clean, and incredibly friendly, Toronto makes it easy to get around thanks to its efficient and reliable public transit system. Subways, streetcars, and buses connect every corner of the city. Exploring Toronto is a genuine joy for travelers of all ages. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, there's always something new to see and do. The city is constantly evolving. New attractions, innovative restaurants, and exciting experiences pop up all the time, making every visit feel fresh and full of surprises. From the cobblestone streets of the historic Distillery District to the gleaming glass towers of the modern skyline, Toronto blends old and new in a way that's both seamless and inspiring. Every visit offers something unique, with pop-up events, art galleries, and cultural festivals ensuring there's always something fresh to discover. Toronto never stands still. It's a city that's always on the move, always reaching for the next big thing. The city's dynamic nature means you'll always find excitement, whether it's a lively street festival, a thrilling sports event, or a spontaneous celebration in the park. Whether you're here for a day, a week, or even longer, Toronto has a way of drawing you in and making you want to return again and again. It's a place where discovery never ends, where every neighborhood has its own character and hidden gems waiting to be found. So get ready to explore. Pack your curiosity and your sense of adventure. Toronto is waiting to surprise you at every turn. Come see for yourself why Toronto is a key player on the world stage, a city that welcomes people from every corner of the globe. Experience the city's infectious energy, from outdoor concerts and waterfront bike rides to the laughter and joy that fill its public spaces. Toronto welcomes you with open arms, ready to share its stories, its culture, and its endless possibilities with you. Toronto is home to over 2.7 million people, and more than 6 million in the Greater Toronto Area. This makes it a bustling, vibrant metropolis filled with people from every background. Diversity is Toronto's defining feature. Over half the population was born outside Canada. You'll hear hundreds of languages spoken as you walk the streets. It's a place where cultures are celebrated and differences embraced. Locals call it T.O., T-Dot, Hogtown, or the Six Sign. Each nickname tells a story. These names reflect Toronto's rich history and multifaceted personality. The city is laid out in a convenient grid, making navigation easy even for first-timers. Major streets run north-south and east-west, helping you get your bearings quickly. Toronto is well organized for a city of its size. Distinct neighborhoods each have their own unique charm and character. Exploring these areas feels like taking mini-trips around the world. The city's energy is palpable on every street. People here are friendly and welcoming to visitors. Toronto's multiculturalism is its greatest strength. It's a city that thrives on its diversity. Every corner offers a new experience. The pulse of Toronto is its people. Come see how this dynamic city comes alive. There's always something new to discover. The CN Tower is Toronto's most iconic landmark, a marvel of engineering that pierces the sky and dominates the city's skyline. Standing tall and proud, it's a symbol of Toronto's ambition and innovation, instantly recognizable from miles away. The tower's sleek silhouette has become synonymous with the city itself, drawing millions of visitors each year who come to marvel at its height and beauty. For years, the CN Tower held the title of the world's tallest freestanding structure, a testament to the city's forward-thinking spirit and determination. Its construction in the 1970s was a feat of modern engineering, capturing the imagination of people around the globe and putting Toronto on the map as a city of progress. Today, visitors can take the high-speed glass elevator to the top, soaring above the city in seconds for a dramatic cityscape and sparkling views of Lake Ontario below. The observation deck offers a breathtaking 360-degree panorama, where you can spot landmarks, neighborhoods, and even the distant horizon on a clear day. For those seeking adventure, thrill seekers can try the EdgeWalk, a heart-pounding outdoor ledge walk that circles the tower's main pod. It's the world's highest full-circle hands-free walk, offering an adrenaline rush and unforgettable memories as you dangle high above the city. Even from inside, the views are unforgettable. Floor-to-ceiling windows let you gaze out over the bustling city, while glass floors give you a dizzying look straight down to the streets below. The CN Tower gives you a unique perspective of Toronto, revealing the city's vastness and diversity from above. It's a place where locals and tourists alike come to appreciate the city's ever-changing landscape. Beyond the tower, Toronto's skyline is a stunning mix of gleaming skyscrapers and innovative architecture. Each building tells a story, from historic facades to cutting-edge glass towers, creating a dynamic cityscape that's always evolving. At night, the city lights reflect beautifully on Lake Ontario, transforming the skyline into a glittering display of color and energy. The city comes alive after dark with illuminated buildings and vibrant nightlife. The skyline is always evolving, with new buildings rising constantly. Construction cranes dot the horizon, signaling Toronto's rapid growth and its status as one of North America's most dynamic urban centers. Toronto's waterfront is another highlight, stretching along Lake Ontario's southern shore. This scenic area is a favorite destination for both locals and visitors, offering a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Enjoy lush parks, sandy beaches, and scenic walking or biking trails that wind along the water's edge. The waterfront is a place to relax, play, and soak in the natural beauty that surrounds the city. Rent a bike or stroll along the water's edge for a relaxing escape. The gentle breeze and stunning lake views make it a perfect spot for a morning jog or an evening walk. Ferries can take you to the Toronto Islands for a quick getaway. Just a short ride from downtown, the islands offer beaches, picnic spots, and spectacular views of the city skyline. The waterfront is perfect for recreation and relaxation. Whether you're kayaking, jogging, or simply enjoying a picnic with family and friends, there's something for everyone along the lakeshore. The city and lake meet in a harmonious blend of urban and natural beauty, creating a unique environment where skyscrapers and green spaces coexist side by side. Toronto's landmarks are must-sees for any visitor. From the soaring CN Tower to the iconic Rogers Centre and the striking City Hall, each site offers a glimpse into the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Each one tells a story of the city's ambition and growth, reflecting Toronto's journey from a small settlement to a world-class metropolis. These landmarks are living symbols of the city's past, present, and future. Experience the best views and vibrant atmosphere Toronto has to offer. Whether you're exploring its famous landmarks, relaxing by the waterfront, or simply taking in the city's energy, Toronto's landmarks promise unforgettable memories and endless inspiration. Toronto is like a mini United Nations, with people from every corner of the globe calling it home. As you walk through the bustling streets, you'll hear a symphony of languages and see faces representing dozens of cultures, all blending together in a vibrant urban mosaic. This incredible diversity is the city's greatest superpower, reflected not just in its people, but in the languages spoken, the traditions celebrated, and the welcoming atmosphere that fills every neighborhood. Toronto thrives on its multicultural energy, making it a place where everyone can feel at home. Take a stroll through neighborhoods like Chinatown, where the aroma of sizzling stir-fries fills the air, or Little Italy, where the sound of laughter spills from cozy cafes. Wander along Greektown's Danforth Avenue, explore the bohemian spirit of Kensington Market, or soak in the historic charm of the Distillery District. Each area feels like stepping into a different country, with its own unique sights, sounds, and flavors. These neighborhoods are living proof of Toronto's multicultural fabric, where traditions from around the world are celebrated side by side. In Toronto, you can travel the world without ever leaving the city limits. Every block offers a new adventure, a new culture to discover, and a new story to hear. The food scene here is a true culinary adventure. Authentic dishes from every continent await you. Whether you're craving the bold spices of South Asia, the delicate flavors of Japanese cuisine, or the comforting classics of Italian cooking, Toronto's restaurants deliver it all. From spicy curries that warm your soul to fresh sushi that melts in your mouth, hearty pasta dishes and savory Chinese dumplings, there's something to satisfy every palate. The city's chefs are passionate about sharing their heritage, and every meal is a chance to taste the world. Don't miss the food trucks and bustling farmers markets like the iconic St. Lawrence Market, where you can sample fresh, local flavors and discover new favorites. These spots are perfect for grabbing a quick bite or picking up ingredients for your own culinary creations. Your taste buds will thank you for exploring Toronto's diverse cuisine. Sharing a meal here often means sharing stories, traditions, and laughter with friends old and new. Festivals are a huge part of life in Toronto, bringing people together to celebrate the city's rich tapestry of cultures. Caravana, for example, brings Caribbean culture to life in a vibrant celebration of music, dance, and colorful costumes, filling the streets with energy and joy. The Toronto International Film Festival, or TIFF, draws global stars and film lovers every September, turning the city into a hub of creativity and excitement. Pride Toronto is one of the world's largest LGBTQ+ celebrations, where the city comes alive with rainbow colors, parades, and a spirit of acceptance and love. Throughout the year, countless food, music, and cultural festivals fill the calendar, offering endless opportunities to experience something new and exciting. These events unite the city, bringing together people of all backgrounds and showcasing Toronto's inclusive, welcoming spirit. No matter where you're from, you'll find a place to belong. Toronto's multiculturalism is alive in every festival, every meal, and every gathering. It's a city where diversity isn't just accepted, it's celebrated. The city's neighborhoods are bursting with color, flavor, and creativity. From vibrant murals to lively street art, every corner tells a story of cultural pride and artistic expression. Every visit to Toronto is a new adventure in culture and taste. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a lifelong resident, there's always something new to discover. Toronto's spirit is open, vibrant, and welcoming. Locals are proud of their city's diversity and eager to share it with newcomers and visitors alike. Come experience the world in one city. Toronto invites you to explore, connect, and celebrate everything that makes it unique. Discover the flavors, cultures, and stories that make Toronto truly special. Every meal, every festival, and every street corner offers a new perspective. There's always something to celebrate in Toronto, a city where the world comes together, and every day is a festival of cultures. Toronto isn't just skyscrapers, it's full of accessible natural beauty. Lake Ontario provides a stunning backdrop and endless recreation. Swim, sail, kayak, or simply enjoy the views along the waterfront. The Toronto Islands are a short ferry ride away, offering peaceful beaches and parklands. Rent a bike or kayak to explore the islands and enjoy spectacular skyline views. High Park is Toronto's largest urban park, with gardens, a small zoo, and hiking trails. In spring, cherry blossoms in High Park are a breathtaking sight. The city's ravines create green corridors for walking, jogging, and cycling. Nature is woven into Toronto's urban fabric. Even downtown, you'll find small parks and public squares for a quick escape. New developments often include green roofs and public gardens. Toronto values nature as part of city life. These green spaces offer fresh air and tranquility. They make the city more livable and enjoyable for everyone. Toronto's natural side is always close at hand. Discover the balance of city and nature in Toronto. What makes Toronto special? It's a city of contrasts that blend in perfect harmony. Big yet friendly. Modern yet respectful of its history. Diverse yet united. This unique mix gives Toronto its enduring charm. Visitors enjoy endless attractions, world-class museums, shopping, and a thriving theater scene. Sports fans can cheer for the Raptors, Maple Leafs, or Blue Jays. For those considering a move, Toronto offers a high quality of life. It's regularly ranked among the world's most livable cities. Excellent schools, healthcare, and safe neighborhoods make it a great place to call home. Diverse job opportunities abound in tech, finance, and the arts. Toronto is a place to build a future and put down roots. It's more than a city. It's a full sensory experience. Taste global cuisines, hear 100 languages, and see stunning cityscapes. Toronto welcomes you with genuine warmth. Come and discover it for yourself. You might just find it's the city you've always dreamed of. Toronto is waiting for you.